In this video, I'll show you how to create OctaFX account. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. And I think I previously created a video about how to create OctaFX accounts, but the video wasn't currently recording. So yeah, I just created the account. In this video, I think I'm going to just give you guys some help how you can be able to do that. So this is my account. I just created my account here. So what you need to do now, make sure you install OctaFX on your Apple Store or your Play Store. Once I've installed it, open it. You're going to be able to see continue with number, continue with a Google account, and continue with email or Facebook. So make sure you select the continue with Google account, because once you've selected it, you're going to be able to just use your Google account to create an account on OctaFX. So once you click on it, you're going to be able to, you'll be asked if you love to confirm the verification. So once you have confirmed the verification, what you need to do, you need to, a next page is going to come out, so you can be able to fill in some required details, your residency, your address, all that. So once you have filled in that, you're going to be able to click on the continue down below, and you're going to be able to create your account. Once you create your account, this is what is going to appear. So if you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know if this video helped you out. I'll see you in the next video.